Hello there. I've got a new job. I'll tell you about it for a second. It's called drinking beer and fishing. And we're at marker 32. It's the Stock Island channel marker for Key West. Hang on a second. I gotta drink a beer. Crystal's just got a Whopper. I was busy drinking beer.
Good Lord. That's real nice.
Ooh. Okay. Here's what we're catching. This is a littler one.
No, that's what I'm catching. You're drinking beer.
Okay, that's what Crystal's catching. Oops. Dropped him. Okay, he went back. Now, here's the other part of my job. It's called fishing. I got 3 minnows on and a little jig. My job, it's okay if you sit down on the job. And there's really no set hours. You can get here early, you can get here late. There's a dive boat from Key West right behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can. They're snorkeling and diving. And there's another boat over there called the Double Down. He was over here fishing by us, but they weren't pulling in any fish. Oop, I just missed one. That's the bad part of my job. Sometimes you miss them.
Oops, that's not.
I got one nibbling, but he's knocking, but nobody's home. What are you gonna do? Oh, Crystal got. Oh no, he got off.
He took my line, I think.
I should probably spend more time fishing
Maybe.
instead of drinking
Yeah,
beer.
look.
Oh no, he bit him off. What do you think that was?
Big fish.
Okay, gotta tie a jig on.